In this video tutorial, we will review how to use Rarible. Rarible is a platform that gives artists the ability to turn their artwork into NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens. It also provides a marketplace for artists and collectors to buy and sell. NFTs are unique digital items such as collectibles or artwork. As an artist, tokenizing your work ensures that it is unique and recorded on the blockchain. After turning your art into an NFT on Rarible, you can transfer it, sell it, or destroy it if you like. To get started, first go to your favorite search engine and access rarible.com. On Rarible's homepage, connect your wallet located in the top right-hand corner. For this tutorial, we will use MetaMask. If you have not signed into your wallet, you may be prompted to do so. If you do not have a MetaMask set up, please refer to our other educational videos on how to get started. After your wallet is connected, you are brought to the marketplace. This is where you can see all the activity happening on the site. To review a piece, simply click on it. In this section, you can purchase, bid, share it, follow the artist, or view the piece on OpenSea. You can also see who owns the piece, its history, any details, and if there are any bids. To purchase the piece, click on the Buy Now button. This brings up the checkout window. Confirm the details and proceed to payment. After you initiate the checkout, your MetaMask wallet will appear with a gas fee and the total cost of the piece. If gas is really high, you may want to consider waiting. To confirm the purchase, you hit confirm, and to reject it, you can click reject. Initiating your purchase will send the transaction to the blockchain, and you will need to wait until the miners pick it up and record it for good. After it's confirmed, you should see it in your wallet. To review your purchases, you can go to the main page and click on My Items. Your purchases will be located underneath Collectibles. With Rarible, minting your art has never been easier. To begin, click on the Create button located on the top right-hand corner. In this section, you're given two options. Do you want to mint a single piece, or do you want to create multiples of the same piece? The choice is yours. Let's take a look at the single option. On this screen, you can see there are several options to get started. First, you want to upload your piece. So we're going to select a file. You'll need to locate where your art is saved. As you can see, I found my Dogecoin piece. Down below, you will see there are options to put the piece on sale or not, either have it up for auction or have an instant sell price. You might be asking yourself, what's the reason for not putting it on sale? And in some cases, you might want to delay a release to create a hype train and then put it on sale later on. In this case, we're going to set an instant sell price. Rarible allows you to accept different currencies, such as ETH, DAI, and others. In this example, we're going to accept ETH. I'm going to list this for 0.1 ETH. As you can see, Rarible automatically calculates their service fee, letting you know how much you will receive when the sale is complete. Rarible also gives you the option to give your purchasers the ability to receive unlocked content. If you have a digital key or a code to redeem, or even a link to the file, you can put it here. and it will only become unlocked after they purchase. Rarible also gives you the options to select which token you'd like to use. You can use an ERC721 or a Rarible token. I'm going to choose Rarible. Next up is probably the hardest part for each and every artist. You have to come up with a name and description for your work. In this case, we'll name it Doge Dog. And under description, we will put Elon's. As you can see below, you can set your royalty percentage. What this means is every time the piece gets sold, you actually get royalties for it. This is a huge bonus for artists out there, as when their pieces transfer from buyer to buyer, they will get a percentage back in royalties each time. Personally, I'm not going to be greedy, and I'm going to leave it at the default 10%. Down below, you'll be able to set additional properties as well. Once you are ready to mint your piece, click Create Item. But before we do, I'd like to show you the difference between single and multiple. The main difference between single and multiple is the ability to create multiple copies of the same piece. As you can see here, I've entered the amount of 10. So when I create the item, they will create 10 copies of it, and each copy will be listed at 0.1 ETH. Alright, let's get serious. Doge Dog is going to have to wait. Instead, I'm going to be minting Circuit City. As you can see, I've chosen a single collectible. I've set the price. I'm using the Rarible token. I've named it, and I've added a description, and I set my royalties. Now we're going to click Create Item. As you can see, Rarible is uploading the files. Now we have to mint the token. When you select Mint, your MetaMask will open up. Notice there's a gas fee. If the gas fee is too high, you may want to consider waiting until gas goes down. But for the purpose of this video, we're going for it. Click Confirm. After hitting Confirm, you can check your MetaMask to see if the transaction has gone through. As you can see, the transaction is still pending. As with any transaction on the Ethereum blockchain, you can click the pending transaction and go to Etherscan. Depending on the network, it might take a while. As you can see, our transaction is successful. Head back to Rarible and click Sign Sell Order to list your item for sale. Notice you don't have to pay an additional gas fee. Once your item is minted and on sale, you can go to your on sale page to see it. As you can see, Circuit City is now listed for 0.25 ETH. Congratulations on minting your first item. You can go to the on sale page, click on the three dots, and you are given several options to choose from. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to the Whale Community YouTube channel. See you next time.